In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Slack password. We'll walk through the process using Slack in a web browser so you can quickly change your password with confidence. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, along with a few helpful tips to keep your account secure. Start by opening your browser and going to slack.com. Make sure you're signed into your workspace so you can access your account options. Once Slack loads, look toward the bottom left corner of the interface. You'll see your profile icon there. This is usually a small circle with your photo or your initials. Click that icon to open your profile menu. From the menu that appears, select Profile. This brings up your profile panel, which shows your name, title, and other details. On the right side of this panel, look for the three dots icon, often labeled as More Actions. Click those three dots to reveal additional options related to your account. Choose Account Settings. Slack will open your account settings page, sometimes in a new tab. This page controls key details like your email, password, and security preferences. Locate the section labeled Password. It's typically collapsed by default to keep the page tidy, so click to expand it and reveal the password fields. You'll first be asked for your current password. This step confirms it's really you making the change, which helps protect your account. If you're unsure of your current password, look for Slack's recovery option on the page. Otherwise, enter the one you've been using. Next, enter your new password. Aim for something strong and memorable to you, but hard for others to guess. A good approach is a longer passphrase with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid reusing passwords from other sites and consider using a trusted password manager to store it safely. Make sure your new password meets the requirements shown on the screen and type it carefully to avoid typos. When everything looks good, click Save Password. Slack will process your change and confirm that your password has been updated. You'll use this new password the next time you sign in and on any other devices where you use Slack. If you recently had any security concerns, it's a good idea to review your sign-in activity from your account settings afterward. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Slack password. Simple, secure, and done. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to store your new password somewhere safe.